Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I really wanted to participate in Daveda Lane's Christmas home tour collaboration, but I am not quite done decorating my home for the holidays. So instead of trying to rush around and get everything finished, since the whole point of this is to share ideas with people, I thought I would share some scenes with you of how I've decorated my home in the past. And then when I'm all done decorating it for this year, you'll see it in an upcoming home tour. So I hope you enjoy this montage of scenes from my past Christmas home decorating. And once you're done watching, I hope you'll go and check out the rest of the participants in this collaboration. I'll have a link to the playlist down below once it's available, and also to Daveda's channel. I just love Daveda's channel. She's such a genuine person. She does a lot of crafts and DIYs. So if you're not familiar with her yet, please head over to her channel and subscribe. And now, stay tuned to see how I've decorated for Christmases in the past. I hope you enjoyed my look back at prior year's decorating, and I hope you'll come back and see how I'm decorating my home for this year. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing by clicking the subscribe button down below. I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. And for those of you who are subscribers, thank you for coming back and watching. I truly appreciate all of you. I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas and a happy, healthy holiday season. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.